lovely performance. Please clap it up for our singers. Leadership is not just a title or a position, it is about action and example. Today, we recognize students who have shown the potential to inspire others and uphold the values of our school. The badges and sashes being conferred today are not just ornaments, they are symbols of the trust the school and their peers have placed in them. They represent a commitment to serve with humility and lead with courage. As these student leaders step into their new roles, they embark on a journey of personal growth. This ceremony marks the beginning of a year where they will learn to balance authority with empathy and responsibility with grace. Today is one of the most solemn and significant occasions in our school calendar, the investiture ceremony. It is a day where we formally vest authority in our newly elected student council. As they receive their sashes and badges today, they are not just receiving titles, but a sacred duty to act as the bridge between the students and the administration. We look forward to seeing them lead by example and carry the school flag to new heights of excellence.
Few of our academics, sports, and scholarship holders could not make it in the last function due to their personal occupancy. So, today we will start honoring them first. It is time to applaud the hard work of our shining stars. We invite our chief guests to give away the awards for academic achievers, for those who conquered the books, sports achievers, for our champions on the field, scholarship holders for your exceptional dedication, 95 and above percentage attendance, because showing up is the first step to success.
Due to an emergency, these two students, Kaira Rajput and Suryash Mishra, have to go early. So I request Kaira Rajput from 1st Poppy and Suryash Mishra from 5th Ganga to please come on the stage to receive their awards. I repeat, Kaira Rajput from 1st Poppy and Suryash Mishra from 5th Ganga.
Krishiv Sharma, 9th Imagination. Danish Verma, 9th Determination. Zuhaib Tak, 9th Stimulation.
Laksh 5th Indus, Dhyan Yadin 5th Ganga, Ruhan 5th Ganga, H. Reshma 5th Ganga, Sagif 5th Yamuna, Adyan 5th Yamuna, Sukhpreet 5th Yamuna, Jasraj Singh 6th Jhelum, stimulation. Please clap it up for our achievers.
Eighth attention. Raghuvansh, ninth vision.
Give them a big round of applause. Now I would like to call our champions on the field, the sports achievers. Inayat Bagga, first rose. Ayan Mahajan, 5th Indus. Shivanya, 5th Ganga. Antariksh, 5th Yamuna. Arush K, 5th Yamuna. Arav Thakur, 6th Satluj. Vivan Pathania, 6th Satluj. Hafza Khan, 6th Ravi. Gorang, 7th Inspiration. Raghav Singh Pathania, 7th Inspiration. Bhargav, 7th Concentration. Ojas, 7th Coordination. Vivan, 7th Coordination. Vivian, 7th Coordination. Naksh, 7th Coordination. Aryan, 7th Coordination. Munaf, 7th Coordination. Afran, 7th Coordination. Jagraj, 7th Dedication. Simmer, 7th Attention. Please clap it up for them. Gurang, 7th Inspiration. Raghav Singh Pathania, 7th Inspiration. Ojas, 7th Coordination. Vivian, 7th Coordination. Vivan, 7th Coordination. Naksh, 7th Coordination. Aryan, 7th Coordination. Munaf, 7th Coordination. Afran, 7th Coordination. Jagraj, 7th Dedication. Shimmer 8th attention, Surya 8th attention, Ayan 8th attention, Anjali 8th motivation, Suryansh 8th motivation, Piyush Pada 8th motivation, Abrar 8th integration, Abhinav 9th creation, Madhavan 9th creation, Ranveer Kohol 9th innovation, Gurtej 9th innovation. Drishti 9th sophistication, Seher Fatima 9th sophistication, Hasiba 9th sophistication, Anshika Kashyap 9th sophistication, Radhika 9th sophistication, give them a big round of applause. Tenth diligent, please clap it up for our champions. Pranav 10th motion, Gaurav 10th motion, Shokat 10th motion, Sabir 10th motion, Mahi 10th devotion and Manvi. Gaurav 10th motion, Galson 10th motion, devotion, Jigmin Sana 10 devotion, Tille Angmo 10 devotion, Bushra 10 devotion, Spalsis 10 devotion, Jashanpreet 10th encouragement, Ibrar +1 Arts, Adil Kareem +1 Commerce, Jaskaran +1 Arts, Raja Waseem +1 Arts, Krishant +2 Arts, Paras Chaudhary +2 Arts, Ansh Khajuria +2 Arts, Ankush 10th Resolution. Hamad class 9, Gaurav class 10, Jahangir class +1. Thank you to the honorable guest, Dr. Sunita Sharma and Honorable Dr. M.L. Atri. Our respected Principal Ma'am to share her thoughts and encourage our students with her guiding words.
Are present here to witness the achievement of their children. Most of the time it has been observed the parents who gives and devotes their time for the achievement of their children, those children always do best in their lives. So your presence itself tells us you trust on us, and really we are putting our hard work. We are trying our best to give you the best, whatever we could contribute towards the growth of your children. When we talk about the children, the child is a kind of raw material. We have to mold them, we have to construct, reconstruct, design, redesign as per the need of the society, as per the need of the parents, and as per the need the school wishes the child to be. So, when we talk of achievements, most of the time, being parents, we believe that if our child is a doctor, engineer, or qualifies NDA or IIT, then only it is called as achievement. But believe me, a very small achievement of receiving a small position, getting a small appreciation, makes a big difference in the life of the children, and that has to be celebrated. At each level, the child is achieving something. And when we give this texture, this taste of achievement to the children at this young age, they do strive always to achieve something. And it has been observed over the years, these celebrations are making the children to understand their capabilities in a better way. They have inculcated lot of skills in them through these activities, through these achievements, and today we are gathered here to celebrate their success. And success is nothing about the positive mode of making a child to sense himself or herself. So these are the activities being school we are organizing just to tell you that your child deserves something and your child has some potential, and with your support we will multifold it and we will multiply it. Thank you once again for your support and cooperation. We expect the same thing in near future, and we would love you to come and celebrate the achievements of your children repeatedly and regularly in the school campus. Wish you all the children good luck for their future. Thank you once again.
Thank a big round of applause for our honorable principal ma'am.
Listen to the rhythm of discipline. Our school band is ready to energize the atmosphere with a powerful performance. Let the drums roll.
innovation. Perfect Hasrat, ninth creation. Perfect Aksa, seventh dedication. Perfect Devanya, eighth attention. Perfect Paul Pratap Singh, eighth attention. Perfect Rohanika, seventh coordination. Perfect Prefect Aruj, ninth imagination. welcome our new guest, Manoj Thakur, G, Superintendent Police of Investigation, Pathankot. Give them a big round of applause. Thanking you to our esteemed guests for awarding and encouraging the leaders.
To share the words of wisdom and vision, I invite our director, Sunny Sir, to address the gathering.
Thank you so much for coming. I welcome all our chief guests, guest of honor, and special guests who have come here today. I'll not take much of your time. It's a great day. I think investiture ceremony, for us, I believe it is all about leadership. And leadership is something which is taught beyond books. So I would encourage all the parents, motivate, encourage your child, and the ones who are chosen today, we will certainly guide them, make them learn the way of leadership, which will certainly help them in their lives. जिंदगी में बहुत सारे इम्तिहान आते हैं, हम भी बहुत सारे इम्तिहान रोज देखते हैं, कभी सक्सेसफुल होते हैं, फेलियर होता है. So leadership certainly prepares them for the toughest journeys ahead. So congratulations to all the parents and also to the parents who have come today, who have secured more than 80% and above in class 10 board examination. Usually schools में 90% above बच्चों को ऑनर किया जाता है, पर मैं खुद एक 81% स्कोरर रहा, तो मुझे लगा कि 80% वालों की भी बहुत मेहनत होती है, तो उनको भी मोटिवेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And not only that, but every child who secures even 40%, 50%, 60%, it is just marks, are just a number. We believe education and knowledge, जो बच्चे कभी कभी जिंदगी में 50% लाते हैं, वो आगे जिंदगी में जाके 50% से भी बहुत आगे कर जाते हैं कभी कभी. तो marks cannot define you, but certainly it is something we must look forward to get and success ahead. On that note, thank you so much everyone. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Baby, I'm a monster. Mona and Mona, I see you in slow-mo. You know you're in trouble. Ooh, 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 ooh. 밟아, 둥쳐봐. 어차피 손바닥 위에서 못 나가. You know that. 넌 날 순간 피한다. All eyes on me. 불을 질러라. Till or die. All my life. Yeah, you ain't seen nothing yet. got them all going. Yeah, be happy while I'm on hand. Yeah, got them all going. Yeah, hold on. 안 들이보라니 달팽이관에 이건 네 피해줄 축복 음악에 맞춰 그냥 춤춰 기분이 핫핫 뿜뿜 파우 분위기 타올라 니들 눈 돌아 땡하네 적잖네 충격일 거야 From the screen 홈런은 쳤고 내 다음은 위 어중이 토중이 중간하니 날 보고 다쳤던 입짓에 Careful when you come through my way. My body already know how to play. But work it, keep it tight every day. And I know you need a taste. Now, ooh, I'm falling in love. Give a little ooh, get it well done. Dancing on my ooh, make a girl wanna run. We keep moving till the sun come up. Porque I am the party. It's a fiesta. Blow out your candles, have a siesta. We can try, but don't know what can stop me. What my talkie wants, get my talkie gets on. Dáleme como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé. Un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taki taki rumba.
Welcome to Gumma. 날 펴라, 꽃이라, 즐기면 그만. 멋지구나, I would like to invite MLA Mr. Darshan Kumar sir to please come forward the stage. Now I would like to invite the leaders of Gandhi House. House Captain S. Mishika of Class 6 Gomti. Vice House Captain Tasvi of 6 Gomti. Sports Captain Suksar of Class 6 Jhelum. Vice Sports Captain Ghazal 6 Ravi. Prefect Ash of Class 6 Jhelum. Prefect Anaya, Class 6 Satluj. Prefect Anayat, 6 Jhelum. Prefect Rajveer, 6 Ravi. Prefect Valnoor, 6 Satluj. Prefect Anushka, 6 Satluj.
Let's give our young stars a big and cheerful round of applause.
Give a big round of applause, everyone! Congratulations to all our leaders. Now I would like to invite leaders of Subhas House. House Captain Laksh, 6 Satluj. Vice House Captain Mansirat, 6 Jhelum. Sports Captain Wahin, 6 Jhelum. Vice Sport Captain Manya, 6 Gomti. Prefect Parinidhi, 5th Ganga. Prefect Delina, 5th Indus. Prefect Takshvi Sharma of Class 5th Ganga. Prefect Hanan Farooq, 5th Yamuna. Prefect Pratham Gandotra, 6th Jhelum. Prefect Kride Mahajan, 5th Yamuna.
respected Mr. Manoj Thakurji, Superintendent of Police Investigation Pathankot, to please come up on the stage to award the students.
Give a big round of applause, everyone!
Now the Nehru House leaders, House Captain Geetika 6 Gomti, Vice House Captain Raina Rathore 6 Jhelum, Sports Captain Adira 6 Gomti, Vice Sports Captain Antariksh 6 Ravi, Prefect Anaya 5th Ganga, Prefect Navish Agarwal 5th Indus, Prefect Atharv Tuli 5th Indus, Prefect Radhya 5th Ganga, Prefect Avantika Gandotra 5th Yamuna, Prefect Chitrash Tandon 4th Chenab.
Is already attending a national level conference at Chandigarh. So she is not present today, but the parents are present here. I would like to request them to join us on stage. Please give a big round of applause.
Big round of applause, everyone! Congratulations to all my leaders.
Now the Sports Captain Abhinav 6 Gomti, Vice Sports Captain Gorish 6 Jhelum, Now I request our honorable guest, Mrs. Dr. Sunita Sharma, to please come up on the stage to award the students. Give them a big round of applause. House Captain Sakib, Vice House Captain Myra, Sports Captain Abhinav 6 Gomti, Vice Sports Captain Gaurish 6 Jhelum, Prefect Advika 5th Ganga, Prefect Sanvi Gupta 5th Ganga, Prefect Rehana 6 Gomti, Prefect Agampala 5th Indus, Prefect Shafaq Sarnav 4th Chenab, Prefect Shazin 4th Byas.
Give a big round of applause for all our leaders.
Now I would like to call a class 10th achiever who has made everyone proud with her stellar board result, Janvi.
I would just take a minute. I appreciate every parent's patience and we would just encourage you कि थोड़ा सा और इंतजार करें तब तक लास्ट इवेंट जब तक कंप्लीट ना हो सभी की पेशेंस और प्रेजेंस प्लीज बी प्रेजेंट.
Janvi class 10th. Please give them a big round of applause.
This is a small request to all the parents. There will be oath taking of all the house prefectorial board. So I would like to request no child will be handed over to the parents before the oath taking. So we would like to request you all to be present till the oath taking ceremony is over. Because student council oath taking is one of the most important part of the council. So we would like to request each one of you to please bear with us till the oath taking ceremony of the prefectorial board is over and students are not allowed to go home.
Now I would like
Those who are having their badges, please be seated in your own place. All teacher in charges, please make the children sit in their place for the oath taking. And there is a boy, Suryansh Thakur in +1. Please come for the Academic Achiever Award. Suryansh Thakur.
Give a big round of applause for Suryansh Thakur.
Now I would like to call the junior leaders.
Head boy Kapish of 6th Satluj. Head girl Skyra of 6th Jhelum. Deputy head boy Madhav of 6th Jhelum. Deputy head girl Aura 6th Gomti. School captain boy Pritish Agarwal 6th Jhelum. School captain girl Amira 6th Jhelum.
Out of the junior council, there are many students absent. Again, they all are attending a national level conference at Chandigarh. Like Skyra, Madhav, Aura, they all are in the conference and they could not make it to be present here today because the conference is going on. It is a national level conference which is organized at Chandigarh and these children are participating in it. So on behalf of them, whosoever parent is present, please those parents are requested to come on the stage.
School captain boy Pritish Agarwal. Deputy school captain girl middle house Mannat Sandhu.
Give a big round of applause, everyone.
minds of those who lead by examples. We are now at the point in our program where we seek inspiration. I first invite our our guest of honor, Dr. Sunita Sharma, to address the gathering.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Namaskar. First of all, thank you so much to the management of Pratap Word School, teachers, students for this honor and giving me an opportunity to interact with you all today, as this is the place or institution or workplace which I love the most, though my profession and job profile involves health and health related activities. So when I came, I saw this very young, bright, energetic, disciplined students all around, and it made me remind of my school days. So it is really a great pleasure, and Prashant sir showed me all around the sports activities what you all have been doing. And as a citizen of Pathankot also, I have heard so much about your school. This is a very prestigious school, bringing laurels to our city. And so all of you keep shining like this. And I personally believe that what I am today is 70% because of my schooling, my teachers who have guided me to I was blessed to have wonderful and sincerest of teachers to teach and guide and show the right path to success and a meaningful living. I would like to share a few of my thoughts which I have inculcated through all my years of experience and knowledge. Firstly, students, there is no substitute to hard work. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't beat hard work. So keep working hard. Second, persistence. Never give up. Never give up, bacho. For that, this is just the place when the tides will turn. Thirdly, and this is most important, as I have seen, as I have grown over all the years, I too have children of your age, they have been in school. So choose a subject which you feel you want to choose. This is very important, because when you will choose the subject you love, you will become, and actually your job will become effortless and a dream come true. So please choose wisely and choose accordingly. Then just remember, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And this is one thing, the knowledge which no one can take away from you. No one can steal. So this is very important. Next, don't be afraid to fail. You set your goals right. Then next, what I want to say, do involve yourself in sports. Play at least one sport of your choice. And I am seeing that you have so much opportunity. Maybe these opportunities are denied to so many of the students, but you have access to almost every sport in the world. So please don't miss this opportunity. So sportsman spirit is very, very important. You can learn so much from sports. So please play sports. And as a health professional, I would advise you to take care of your health, which is very important. Your body, your fitness, your diet, avoid junk food. Always eat lots of fruits, lots of green vegetables, drink lots and lots of water. So these are the basics. Sleep on time. Pray. Praying is very important. Meditate, pray, maintain personal hygiene. This is very important. Keep your surroundings clean. Learn the basic life skills, and that includes cooking, swimming, etc. This will go a long way in your life. So enjoy your school days to the maximum. Create memories. Make good lifelong friends. Respect your teachers, elders, and be well-mannered. Lastly, be humble, be grateful, and in a world where you can be anything, please be kind. So, I love you all, and thank you for the patience, for listening to me, and I'm seeing, and you're very well disciplined. Kudos to you and your teachers and your management. Thank you so much again. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your voice of wisdom. I now request our chief guest MLA Mr. Darshan Kumar to please grace the podium and share his message with the young leaders.
Esteemed chief guest.
धन्यवाद जी। जय घोष लगाएंगे हम सब मिलकर। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। आज का जो इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी कार्यक्रम प्रताप वर्ल्ड स्कूल पठानकोट में हो रहा है, इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे बीच सीएमओ मैडम साहब, इनके साथ में हमारे यहाँ के पठानकोट के एसएसपी साहब, डॉक्टर अत्री जी, स्कूल के चेयरमैन, डायरेक्टर साहब और जितने भी यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, बच्चों के माता पिता, स्कूल के बच्चे, शिक्षकगण, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार। सबसे पहले तो मैं बड़ा धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ स्कूल की मैनेजमेंट कमेटी का, हमारे चेयरमैन मैडम का, डायरेक्टर साहब का, कि जिनकी वजह से मुझे आज इस कार्यक्रम में आने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। आपने देखा होगा कि किस प्रकार से बच्चों ने अलग अलग कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से अपनी प्रतिभा को यहाँ पे प्रदर्शित किया। और आज का जो इन्वेस्टर सेरेमनी जो कार्यक्रम है, बच्चों को अलग अलग दायित्व दिए गए, कोई हेड बॉयज का, हेड गर्ल का, स्पोर्ट्स हेड का, अलग अलग प्रकार हेड हाउस का। तो ये हमारे बच्चों को एक आगे की दिशा और दिशा दोनों चीजें तय करता है, क्योंकि बच्चे स्कूल से ही सीखते हैं। और जो प्रताप वर्ल्ड स्कूल है, ये एक पठानकोट का, पंजाब का और हमारे इलाके का एक बहुत ही एक अहम और बहुत ही बढ़िया स्कूल है। क्योंकि अब मैं अभी मेरी डायरेक्टर साहब से बात हो रही थी, तो उन्होंने बताया कि 800 बच्चे जो हैं यहाँ पे बोर्डिंग में रहते हैं यहाँ पे, और 1400 बच्चे जो हैं वो दूसरे जगह से, जैसे हिमाचल है, पंजाब है या JNK से आते हैं। और सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात ये है कि मैक्सिमम बच्चे जो हैं हमारे JNK से हैं। वो लेह हो, कारगिल हो, कश्मीर हो, पुंछ हो, रजौरी हो, जम्मू हो, उधमपुर हो, मेरे बसोली बिलावर के बच्चे हों, महानपुर के बच्चे हों, वो भी काफी संख्या में यहाँ पे बच्चे हैं। और आज मैंने जैसे बच्चों की प्रतिभाएं यहाँ देखी, तो मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास हुआ। मैं जो भी बच्चों के माता पिता यहाँ बैठे हैं, तो मैं उनको अपने माध्यम से ये आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूँ कि आपको बच्चों का जो भविष्य है और उज्जवल और एक सुरक्षित हाथों में है। तो मैं स्कूल के पूरी टीम को, डायरेक्टर साहब को, चेयरमैन मैडम को बड़ी बधाई देता हूं। और जितने भी हमारे जो बच्चे हैं जिनको आज अलग अलग दायित्व स्कूल की तरफ से मिला है, उनसे भी मैं ये आग्रह भी करूंगा, क्योंकि ये जो लीडरशिप का जो आज इनको दायित्व मिला है, ये एक कोई अधिकार की बात नहीं है। इसमें इन्होंने सभी बच्चों को साथ में लेकर चलना है, उनका सही मार्गदर्शन करना है और सब बच्चों को मिलजुल कर मेल मिलाप से हर चीज में आगे बढ़ना है। और इस स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स की भी गतिविधियां भी बहुत अच्छी हैं, जैसे शूटिंग का है, स्विमिंग का है, क्रिकेट का है, हॉकी का, हर प्रकार का। बच्चों में देखो हर चीज के, जैसे डायरेक्टर साहब बीच में कह रहे थे कि अंक मायना नहीं रखते हैं। अभी इन्होंने जैसे 80% ज्यादा जो मार्क बच्चे लेकर आए हैं, उनको भी सबको यहाँ उनको प्रोत्साहित किया है, उनको यहाँ सम्मानित किया है। इससे क्या है, बच्चों की हौसला अफजाई होती है। लेकिन इनकी एक बात से मैं सहमत हूँ कि अंक ही सब कुछ नहीं होते हैं जीवन में, बच्चों में एक संस्कार भी होना चाहिए। तो बच्चों ने जो अच्छा किया है, जिनको हमने यहाँ पे सम्मानित किया है, तो कुछ बेचारे बच्चों ने हमारे अपने स्कूल के टीचर्स के, डायरेक्टर साहब के, हमारे पांव छू के भी आशीर्वाद ले रहे थे। तो ये एक बच्चों में संस्कार भी दर्शाता है कि हमारे इन्होंने हर चीज के साथ में, जो मॉडर्न जमाना हमारा चल रहा है, एजुकेशन के साथ में, स्पोर्ट्स के साथ में, हर चीज के साथ में संस्कार भी बच्चों के अंदर भरपूर भरे हैं। तो इसके भी पूरे प्रताप स्कूल के जितना भी यहाँ का स्टाफ है, वो भी इस चीज के बधाई के पात्र हैं। तो अंत में मैं यही कहूंगा कि मैं यहाँ कर एक बड़ा ही अपने आप को सौभाग्यशाली महसूस कर रहा हूँ और बहुत ही अच्छा मुझे लगा है। तो मैं सभी आज के जितने भी हमारे बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने अच्छे अंक लिए हैं, और उसके बाद में जिनको भी आज लीडरशिप की जिम्मेवारी मिली है, उनके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए भी बड़ी बड़ी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। दूसरी बात यह है कि प्रताप वर्ल्ड जो स्कूल है, एक हमारी गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से एक बच्ची है हमारी प्रतिभा, उसने एक पूरे पंजाब में अच्छे मार्क्स लिए हैं और इनकी तरफ से उसको फुल स्कॉलरशिप मिल रही है। ये भी है कि उनके माता पिता को और बच्ची को बड़ी बधाई, बड़ी शुभकामनाएं हैं। देखो, इन्होंने उस बच्ची की प्रतिभा को पहचाना और उसको फ्री में पूरी एजुकेशन जे देंगे। बहुत ही आईक्यू उसका हाई है बच्ची का, मेरे को जिक्र कर रहे थे डायरेक्टर साहब। तो मैं उस बच्ची को, उसके बच्ची के माता पिता को, उनको सबको बड़ी बधाई, बड़ी शुभकामना देता हूं। और इनको भी, स्कूल को भी, कि जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया कि उस बच्ची का पूरी पढ़ाई का पूरा स्कॉलरशिप भी अपनी तरफ से ये दे रहे हैं। तो अंत में मैं सभी के, हमारे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, उनको उनके उज्जवल भविष्य की शुभकामना देता हूं। और हमारा जो प्रताप वर्ल्ड स्कूल है, इसी प्रकार से एक लीडरशिप और अच्छे बच्चों का निर्माण देश के लिए करें, जिससे कि माननीय हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी का जो सपना है 2047 तक एक विकसित भारत बनाने का, उसमें मुझे प्रताप वर्ल्ड स्कूल के बच्चों का भी पूरा योगदान मुझे दिखने में दिखा जहां पे। तो मैं दोबारा से सभी को बड़ी शुभकामनाएं, बड़ी बधाई देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
We request Director Sir to present a memento to our honorable guests. Thank you for making this day so special for us.
Sunita ma'am and Dr. M.L. Atri sir, please be on stage. Once again, a last request to all the parents. I understand time is very important and very precious for all of us, but nothing is precious than the children. And the oath-taking ceremony is still awaiting. So you have to just wait for another 10 to 15 minutes to over the program. We would really like you to stay till the end of this oath ceremony. I know some parents are requesting us, but we are also requesting you the same. Please be with us for another 10 to 15 minutes.
we call upon the senior house leaders. The students
of Gandhi House leaders, House Captain Sayam Bhardwaj, Vice House 12th Arts, Vice House Captain Sharanya 11th Science, Sports Captain Harnoor 12th Science, Vice Sports Captain Ahem Singh 11th Science, Prefect Rudrakshi 12th Science, Prefect Vikram 11th Science, Prefect Suryansh Thakur 11th Science, Prefect Soumya Kesar 12th Science. Captain Gargi 11th Science, Sports Captain Krishant 12th Arts, Vice Sports Captain Danish 10th Vibrant, Prefect Anishmat 11th Arts, Prefect Mayank 11th Science, Prefect Sharanya 11th Science, Prefect Niharika 11th Science.
The next is Nehru House. House Captain Farah Wasim, 12th Science. Vice House Captain Priyanshi, 12th Arts. Sports Captain Ansh Khajuria, 12th Arts. Vice Sports Captain Janvi, 11th Science. Prefect Lokeshwar, 10th Resolution. Prefect Jagraj Singh, 11th Science. Prefect Manvi, 10th Devotion. Prefect Mazhar, 10th Resolution. The next is Patel House. House Captain Aryan Mishra, 12th NDA. Vice House Captain Mahi, 11th Arts. Sports Captain Gurbir, 12th Science. Vice Sports Captain Muhammad Ayan, 12th Arts. Prefect Geet Rashi, 12th Arts. Prefect Paras Lochotra, 12th Commerce. Prefect Swastika, 11th Science. Prefect Surya Ranjan, 11th Commerce. The next positions are Head Boy Vivek Atri 12th Science, Head Girl Ramaira Singh 12th Arts, Deputy Head Boy Raghav Singh Salaria 11th Science, Deputy Head Girl Shagun 11th Arts, School Captain Adil Malik 12th Science, School Captain Vanya Malhotra 12th Arts. Give them a big round of applause. Give them a big round of applause.
In the arena where the whole world stands, every heartbeat moves in time.
Now it is the time for the student council to take the oath. And to give the oath, I would like to request our director, Ma'am Osin Mahajan, to read the oath and the children have to follow her. Entire prefectorial board, please be on stage.
I request everyone to take the oath position. We, the members of the Student Council of Pratap World School, Pathankot of the session 2026-27, realizing the responsibility endowed on us to help the school authority in maintaining discipline in the school, to work for its honor and the welfare of the students. Take the oath before the Almighty God to execute our responsibilities impartially, with dignity, honor, and total dedication. We assure the school management, staff, and you, the members of the house, that we will be respectful, obedient, and always available to perform our duties with all enthusiasm and abide by the rules and regulations for betterment of the school. Thank you.
Council members can start the dispersal, and you are allowed to carry the sachet to home, and you can keep it with you for the entire day tomorrow, Sunday, and enjoy, and will notify you when to come with the sash with your house dresses for another round of celebration in the school assembly. Now we will be starting with the academic achievers of grade 10. Just now our director sir has already intimated scoring 80% is a very big task at the age of 14-15 years, but being parents we never are satisfied with the score. We always expect 100 and 100. But this is just a number. What the child has learned, the skills and confidence matters the most in life. So we are now going toward our academic achievers. And before we start with the academic achievers, we would like to honor our JEE Mains qualified students of grade 12. Those who are present today, those students, those who are present, those who have qualified their JEE Mains examination, please come on the stage. Jason, class 12, Dharya, class 12, and one more girl, Akriti, class 12. Please come on the stage. Albin Bara is not available today. He has also qualified JEE Mains and preparing for advance. Hers again qualified JEE Mains and preparing for his advance. So Akriti, Dharya and Jason, please be on stage. And I would like to request their parents also to come on the stage. Dharya parents are here, Jason's parents are here, and Akriti's parents are also here. Please give a big round of applause for the parents' support for the child's achievement. Akriti's parents, Jason's parent, and Dharya's parents, please come on the stage.
Let your applause honor the gratitude we hold. special moment for our seniors. We now honor the class 10 achiever students who have made us proud with their stellar board results. Your success is a beacon for your juniors.
So now I would like to invite Pragun Sharma, Sonia, Gagan Sharma, Vikram.
Again, I would like to request all the parents to give a big round of applause for Pragun, who has obtained 2 perfect 100 in mathematics and computer science, and the school topper with 99%.
Gagan Sharma, Vikram, Ayan, Purvi, Gyan Stuti, Sachin, Abhinav, Afsa, Harshit, Lakshya, Pragyan, Shagun Upadhya, Ivan, Sakshi, Siddharth, Advita, Pavitra, Parisha, Raghav Singh, Ayat, Anshika Thakur, Divyansh, Lifa Sarad, Anjanae, Gurvinder, Anubhav, Swastik, Akshay, Harshit Singh, Niharika, Divyanka.
Shaurya, Virinda, Manat Verma, Divij, Anshima, Janvi, Niharika Sharma, Harsh Kumar, Smarth, Smarth Kundal, Arnav Jasrotia, Gargi Rajput, Varun Bali, Muskan, Sharanya, Umang, Mohammad Osawis, Tajesh Rana, Ankit, Harman, Inam, Tabish, Gaurav, Baljinder, Mithul Mahajan, Shabir, Jagraj, Janvi, Kavya, Mutayyab, Pranav, Sana, Mahi, Moksh.
Nandini, Rudraksh, Sharanya, Shokat, Abhinder, Alok, Atharv, Devansh, Mandir Thakur, Shaurya, Vansh, Ayush Saurabh, Kainat, Mayur Chip, Prisha, Rishabh, Suryansh, Veer, Shruti, Simran, Ankush, Kanjal, Rishika, Surya, Nitish, Mayank, Anisha, Divyansh, Stanzin Dolkar, Yadvi, Aditi, Gaurish, Nikhil. Mannat Sharma, Shambhavi, Sohit, Riya Dadwal, Ananya, Dipangsha, Ragini, Ranveer, Sunidhi, Vandita Thakur, Abhijit Singh, Aryadeep, Aryan, Ashish Vats, Asim Mumtaz, Astha Yadav, Atharv.
Thank you everyone. Thank you all the teachers, student support staff, principal ma'am, ICs and the concerned department teachers and all the students for your support for making this function a grand success. And now hand over you to the students for the vote of thanks. Thank you.
Now I express a heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a success. We are deeply honored by the presence of our chief guests whose words have truly inspired us. A sincere thank you to our director sir, Sunny sir, Oshin ma'am and our principal ma'am and constant encouragement. We also extend our thanks to our teachers for their tireless mentorship. To our parents for being the greatest support system. To my fellow students for their hard work and brilliant performances. Finally, a word of thanks to the support staff for their efforts behind the scenes. Thank you all for joining us and making this day so memorable. Thank you.